YouTuber.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's for my car. It's not a tripod, but...
It looks like a boosted board.
Oh, what?
Like the bottom of a boosted board.
What's a booster board?
It's like the skateboards that people ride around, like they're automatic, it's remote control.
Oh, shit. Okay.
I can't even ride a normal skateboard.
Well, it's like, the skateboard's different when you're riding it. The other one, you're just standing and using a controller. I don't know if you've ever had... That looked weird. Same side. UIC, like the UIC was hosting the tournament, like a tournament, like
For VNL, right?
Yeah,
The finals.
Yeah, like 3 years ago.
And it was like a little pop-up shop or something, and you bought it there?
It wasn't I don't know if it was a pop-up shop. It was like, cause it was at the UIC stadium.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was like, oh, UIC.
Yeah, that's the one at UIC. Yeah.
I swear to God. Oh no, you're right. I was at home from the States. Yeah.
We went when they went. I think it was the Poland game was at UIC actually.
No.
Because I think Russia beat US like $100 over usually, right?
At least,
Like
yeah.
even like a season game.
Yeah.
You know.
It's
I
totally
remember
worth it.
I went with a bunch of my friends. Oh my God, it was so fun.
It's really fun. And the crowd is really cool too. Especially, it's really funny though. they had the flags out and everything.
Oh yeah, for sure.
They bring out the flags. I did.
Literally, I thought of that and I was like, oh shit, I lied to Justin. But I've been playing for way too long. Yeah.
Well, do you normally play? Oh.
Danny or Donnie, you know?
Which one's Donnie? Her name was Danielle or Danny.
Oh,
she added
it's like
me
a
on
nickname,
Facebook.
huh?
Yeah, she added me on Facebook.
I feel like I hit like that guy. The guy on the outside.
Not really.
That's
Not really. I don't think so.
aggressive his approach is, you know?
Oh, what?
His approach is really aggressive.
Oh yeah, he's gotten a lot better.
Hey!
Oh.
Place?
Manny.
I don't think so.
You just got a new hearing.
Probably. Oh, what a fake! What a fake! That was the most casual fake
Yeah,
I've ever seen.
Oh! It's like athletic tape. Basketball people wear it. Oh, and football. And wrestlers. Any sport. Any sport.
Oh, that's it.
Oh.